Today I'm going to teach you how to make Chinese 3-cup chicken. It's 3 simple ingredients, basically soy sauce, wine, and sesame oil. But I also add a few more, and I'll show you how.
First, we're going to cut up the chicken into 1-inch pieces like so. Next, we're going to prepare our aromatics, which is our ginger and garlic. And as you can see, I'm slicing them into smaller pieces. And with the garlic, we're just going to crush them up just to release more of the flavor. Now let's prepare our pan with some oil, and we're going to add everything that we sliced, the ginger, the garlic, and this is on high, and we're just going to saute it until it's golden. After that, we quickly add our chicken, and we're just going to spread it out evenly in the pan and move it around, just so that it gets a nice sear on every surface. Now we're going to start adding all of our sauces. First, the Chinese wine. Now we're going to add in the soy sauce. And this is where I'm adding dark soy sauce. This is to give it some more color. And now this is when I like to add a splash of oyster sauce. I find that this gives the dish an added dimension of flavor. The last seasoning we're going to add is the sesame oil, and this always gets added at the end. And of course, after every step, we're just going to mix in between just to make sure that everything is well mixed and well coated throughout the chicken. And now the final touches, the fresh basil, which has already been washed ahead of time, and we're just going to put it on top and mix it in. And then we'll be all set. I hope you liked my video and will give this dish a try. It's definitely one that's always been well received.